Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Miami, Florida, and we're staying at Yacht Haven Marina and RV Resort. So come along and let's check it out. This was our site right on the canal with a great view. Side again. This is our new RV. It's a 2022 Thor Outlaw Class C motor coach, and it is a toy hauler. And yes, there is enough room in the garage for the gull wing, so we bring it along on trips to use at our local transportation. There are so many restaurant choices in Miami, but we always find ourselves back at Bubba Gump Shrimp. Today we woke up to the side of this yacht struggling to get docked. The wind was pretty high this day, and he ended up getting towboats to come help him get the thing docked. Here we are having lunch at Shooter's Waterfront in Fort Lauderdale. We met family here and had a wonderful lunch.
Got a big lunch. Stadium got a big lunch. And then instead of playing baseball, everybody take a big nap.
Here we are in Key Biscayne, where we checked out the Cape Florida Lighthouse and Bill Baggs State Park. The park has many nice walking and biking trails.
This is what I was trying to tell y'all about before. This is the iguana that's only found in the very, very southmost parts of Florida.
Huh.
And on Key Biscayne, there's more of those than the regular iguanas.
Oh,
So-
okay.
Huh. Look at the claws on that thing.
I'm telling you.
He hissed. Did you hear him? Uh-oh. Oh, shit. He's coming after me.
Alright, watch out now.
Whoa. Stiltsville is a curious collection of 7 deserted houses a mile off the Florida coast. The sandbar that they sit on is now owned by the National Park Service, and the houses are no longer inhabited. Stiltsville has an interesting beginning back in 1933 when a man called Crawfish Eddie Walker built a shack on stilts above the water. It was toward the end of the Prohibition era, and he allegedly built this to facilitate gambling, which was legal at 1 mile offshore. Crawfish Eddie sold bait and beer from his shack and was known for a dish he called crawfish chowder, made with crawfish he caught from under his shack. Cape Florida was named by explorer Ponce de Leon during the first Spanish expedition to Florida in 1513. Here are some of the old lighthouse stairs. As the oldest structure in Miami-Dade, the Lighthouse is a time capsule containing an immense amount of Florida history. First erected in 1825, the Cape Florida Lighthouse has survived nearly 200 years of erosion, dozens of hurricanes, an attack by Seminole Native Americans, and an explosion of lantern oil and gunpowder. Through all this tribulation, she still stands. When the lighthouse was originally built, she guided sailors around the Florida Reef, helping them avoid unfortunate accidents. Here we are visiting the Annie Kolb Nature Center. This 1,500-acre nature center is a coastal mangrove wetland rich with plant and animal life, including some threatened and endangered species. There is an observation deck that looks out high above the mangroves. Here we are at the Gumbo Limbo Nature Center. To my disappointment, they had no gumbo to eat and no one was dancing the limbo.
We got a gumbo!
This 20-acre coastal preserve is a destination you don't want to miss. You can view a variety of native fish and other marine animals that live in the marine aquariums. You can also visit the Sea Turtle Rehabilitation Facility to learn about the sea turtle patients. And don't miss Florida Atlantic University's on-site laboratory with a gallery for viewing research projects. This amazing center is actually named after the Gumbo Limbo tree that is native to Florida. So, how much does it cost to RV in paradise? We paid an average of $197 a day, and we loved Yacht Haven so much that we plan to spend a few weeks here every year. It is a wonderful resort and very convenient to all attractions in Miami. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And join us in our next video as we travel to Fiesta Key RV Resort in the Florida Keys.